Aloha class! Welcome to ENV 101 again. So, this is about your citizen science project, okay? Relax, these are supposed to be fun. Everybody starts out as a citizen scientist as a kid. Some of us continue it, some of us sort of lose our questioning abilities, and I want you to reinvigorate the joy of the exploration of the world around you in this class, okay? So that's why we're doing this semester-long project. Now, there's essentially two choices that you have. One is the birdies, one is the clouds. Both are fun. Choose only one. And let's see. So, the cloud one. There is an app. It is up and down. It is not my app. The government runs it. You are actually helping real science when you use it, but occasionally it has issues. So, try to use it, but always sort of take screenshots of your app after you collect the data, okay? And keep those screenshots, all right? If the app is not working for you, oh, by the way, on the app, when you sign up for it, you are citizen scientists, hence the name of the project. You are not students here because I don't have your phones, I don't have access to your phones, and I'm not setting this up for you, okay? So, just use the citizen science version and you're good, okay? Now, in theory, when it's working, about once a week, you should get an email from NASA saying, hey, thank you for all the contributions. Here's some observations that you've made, and here's some connective additional information about that. That is the beauty of why I like the clouds one, but occasionally it doesn't work. So, it seems to be working over the summer. It seems to still be working right now. Now, the birdie was one, that one comes with a set of instructions on how to collect your data. If your cloud app, so just follow those, okay? If the cloud app isn't working, and as I said, even if it is working, grab a screenshot after you do your observation. So you'll see a screenshot of your clouds and then some of the data that is there. Grab that, okay? Keep those screenshots. If it's not working, the easiest way to do this is to take a picture with your phone of, like a cloud over here. You grab a picture of a cloud, and then you open up your the inbuilt. Every phone these days has an inbuilt weather app. Okay, just open that up to your local weather and take a screenshot of that. Okay, that'll give you a lot of information right there, because what you're going to be doing is you're going to be comparing like temperatures and the cloud type. As you learn the clouds, you'll be able to better distinguish which ones they are. You'll start to name them, and some additional information, any kind of notes that you can think of, where you took the picture, so on. Make sort of notes. You can write them in your phone, on your note app, or you can keep a journal. Now, when you get home, I will give you an example of an Excel sheet. You should probably put all this stuff into your Excel sheet. Now, in terms of, because I'm not having you do a lot of math in this class, because I know everybody's math is at different levels, but it's just going to be simple arithmetic by the end, okay? So, but the Excel sheet is a nice way to do it because Excel does it all for you. Now, in terms of how many times you should be going out and collecting data, okay, you want to collect data at least 3 to 5 times a week. That's 3 to 5 separate days. Do not do 3 observations in one day from one location. That is not useful for you, okay? So, 3 to 5 separate days. By the end, you're looking for about 100 odd data points. So we got 15 weeks, 5-ish per week. See where I'm going with that? If you clear around 60 to 100 observations, all right? This should be fun. Again, this is supposed to get you out of your humdrum daily sort of, I keep doing the same thing, and again, it's supposed to reinvigorate your joy for, hey, look, what does that cloud mean over there? What does that mean when I see that kind of cloud? That kind of, and what does that have to do, or how does that impact what's happening in my community long term? Okay, have the clouds changed? These are all good questions. So, and that's sort of what you're going to be answering when you do this project. And the birdies, that is also really cool, but nobody ever has trouble with the bird problem, with the bird ones, other than trying to find birds. That's another reason why you don't do all your observations in one day. So 3 to 5 times a week to go out, collect your data, and then grab a screenshot of that, grab a screenshot of your weather app, or grab a picture of your clouds, because you're going to be sending me those pictures in your weekly memos as well. So that's why you need those pictures, okay? So, and again, if you're using the app, just grab a screenshot of it, okay? And you can send that in. So that's pretty much it. You're going to have, I suggest on your computer, you have a folder. You can mark it by date and just have a folder of screenshots. That way they're all in one place, as opposed to just living on your phone. And if something happens to your phone, you're in trouble. Which hopefully nothing does happen to your phone, because if something happened to my phone, I'm jumping off the local cliffs. So anyways, that's what I've got for this project. Again, this should be a lot of fun. Enjoy it. Get out there, explore, look at the clouds, look at the sky. We got some nice wind today, so the clouds are blowing through. There is a storm supposed to be coming in this weekend. Hopefully it's not a full typhoon. But hey, I'll let y'all know if I'm going to be having some weather issues. So, okay. Thanks again for being here. Let me know if you have any questions, all right? Cheers.